Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to mute microphone on your MacBook Pro M5. To mute your device's microphone, you're gonna have to navigate to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your device's screen and open System Settings. Then here you're gonna have to scroll down to the Sound menu, open it, then select Input, and then move the slider to the very left to mute your device's microphone completely. And then if you want to re-enable it, move it to the middle to enable the default microphone sound volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.